Hi, I'm Dr. Ellern. I'm a cosmetic physician here at Reflections who specializes in non-surgical technique. Today we are talking about rejuvenation for your big event, like your wedding, your class reunion, something of that sort that you want to look extra special for. So right now, just so you don't miss what's going on here, just like our YouTube channel, follow our videos. You can click right up in the right-hand corner, and any questions or comments you can leave below and we'll get back to you. So many people are interested in coming in and getting all these little tweaks and improvements for their big events. And when you don't have a lot of time, there's some things you can do to just make yourself look a little better or a lot better in a small period of time. So we're gonna kind of go through a few things. Although each person's gonna need their treatments tailored to their specific needs, I'll kind of go over what kind of options are available to do leading up to your big events. It's best to start weeks to even months before, but depending on what we're doing, we can do things closer to. Most things like Botox take about a week to 10 days to kick in, so you don't want to cut it any closer really than that. So first things first, we can do something called Clear and Brilliant. Clear and Brilliant's a really wonderful treatment that you can do. Generally, you do 3 or 4 treatments. We space them about a month apart. It really improves the quality of your skin over time, but you will see a glowier appearance even after 1 treatment. So many people do this, brides, younger patients, when they just want to rejuvenate before their big day. They want to have that beautiful, pristine, glowing appearance. They want to get rid of their brown spots, soften their fine lines. So it's really a very popular treatment to make yourself look your best for your big day. Botox is obviously one of our most popular treatments. It does things that no makeup or cream can ever do. It will soften fine lines, it'll open your eyes up, it'll make you have a nice shape to your brow. It is quite wonderful, and you can do your other shaping things, soften your chin, soften any enlarged muscles here in your cheeks, giving you more streamlined appearance. There's many things we can do. We tailor everything to what you need, but Botox is truly a wonder. Also, fillers are obviously one of our more popular things as well. Fillers, we fill people's cheeks, lips. People want to look beautiful and sexy and glowy and pouty for their wedding days or their big reunions. They want to go back and show everybody how great they still look. So we do a lot of stuff to make you look just your best version. Rejuvenate, refill any lost volume. It's quite wonderful, and there's many things we can do with fillers, and they're very easy. They settle in, you can see the difference right away. They settle in about a 2-week period. Anything that needs to settle in, and swelling and bruising will be well gone by then, and it really is wonderful to make you look just rejuvenated and refreshed. For our mothers of the brides or people going to reunions, they want to do something called like a liquid facelift. We can use fillers or threads or a combination of both to lift the tissue, to rejuvenate, to revolumize. It really works wonders and can make you look many years younger. It's a really nice addition to doing some laser treatments or other treatments that we will talk about next. Next, we could talk about microrejuvenation. Microrejuvenation is a combination of some Botox and a little bit of hyaluronic acid filler that can be placed superficially with a tiny little microneedling dabber. What it does is it kind of creates a softened appearance, almost like a liquid filter sort of effect. Softens pore size, reduces redness, just makes you look really pristine. Great when you just need a quick little refresh to your appearance for the big day, and this can be done pretty much right away, right before the event. Really great treatment. If you're somebody who is more just a red appearance and you want to reduce that rosacea or that ruddy appearance, just putting Botox in, something we call micro Botox, where we put the Botox in superficially into the surface, can constrict those little blood vessels and give you a more porcelain appearance, which I don't think anybody's ever gonna not want. So V-beam is our other option for reducing redness. V-beam we use primarily when we're trying to pick off vessels that are larger, either around the nose, on the cheeks, or little tiny red spots that are called cherry angiomas. It can be used for other vascular lesions as well, but these are the most common. This would not be addressed by something like a micro Botox, so it can be for a patient who has a little more going on. This is going to have a little bit more downtime. This is something you want to do a little bit in advance of your event, so you have some time to recover, because you may have some redness or swelling after the treatment. But it's really the best thing if you have some of these features, because it will get rid of them and it will be much easier to cover with makeup for your big day. So many people prior to their big day are looking to wear a special outfit that's going to reveal a part of their body that they don't reveal on a day-to-day basis. And many people get very self-conscious about this and they want to do something about it. So Axel's Ultra is a really great treatment to help improve any little lumps or bumps, smooth those out, smooth out some skin texture, improve the collagen appearance, make things look a little tighter and a little better. And it's something to really add to the appearance of your day.
I'm of the mindset that we're all going to age. I'd like to do so gracefully. I really don't intend to go underneath the scalpel, but I would like to maintain what I've got for as long as I can. And also in my profession, you know, I'm competing against younger people and I need to keep a fresh face. I need to look competitive in the market. And eventually I will grow old, but I'm getting there slower than I would without the help of Reflections.
So here at Reflections, we'd like to invite you in to have a free consultation to go over the treatments you may need to look your best for your big day.